When you think of Chennai's food scene, what comes to mind? Crispy dosas, perhaps? Or maybe the city's legendary filter coffee, a ritual in a steel tumbler? While you're not wrong, that's just scratching the surface. To truly understand Chennai's culinary heart, you need to dive into its neighborhoods. And there's no better place to start than Velachery. This bustling hub, where old traditions meet new age energy, hides a universe of flavor in its winding streets. Here, you'll find secret stalls, local legends, and recipes passed down through generations, all served with a side of chaotic, beautiful, everyday life. We've mapped out the ultimate food trail for you, a journey from dawn till dusk. So, are you ready to eat your way through the map? Our adventure begins right at the Velachery MRTS exit. The key here is to arrive early, as the morning rush brings out the breakfast champions. Forget the dense, chewy idlis you might have had elsewhere. Here, they are impossibly soft, like steamed clouds of fermented rice and lentil batter. These pillowy idlis are the perfect vehicle for what comes next. Aromatic steaming sambar is ladled generously, but the real magic is in the chutneys. You'll find a classic coconut, a fiery tomato and onion, and a fresh, herby mint coriander. The combination is a symphony of textures and tastes. As the day progresses, we move onto Velachery Main Road, the artery of our food journey. This is where the midday action is, and the unmistakable rhythmic clang of metal on metal signals our next stop, the Kotu Parota joints. It starts with flaky, layered parotas, shredded by hand. This isn't just food prep, it's a performance. The parota is joined on a massive hot plate by a medley of onions, tomatoes, and eggs. Then comes the flavor arsenal. A generous shower of fresh spices, turmeric for color, chili for heat, and a secret garam masala blend that each stall guards fiercely. And now, the music. Using two heavy metal spatulas, the chef minces, mixes, and tosses everything together in a percussive, hypnotic rhythm. The result is a sizzling, savory scramble that's a Chennai icon for a reason. But wait, the parota family has more members. Don't you dare skip the bun parota stalls, especially the ones tucked away near the bustling market. These are smaller, fluffier, and almost cake-like in their softness. For the non-vegetarians, check the keema stalls nearby. A spicy, fragrant minced meat gravy is the perfect partner for the soft, absorbent bun parota. It's a two-handed affair. One hand for the bun, tearing off a piece to soak up the gravy, and the other hand for a hot, sweet chai to cut through the richness. It's the perfect midday refuel. As evening descends, the food lanes transform. This is prime time for snacks. Hunt for the bhaji stands, where you'll find everything from plantain and onion to fiery chili, all dipped in chickpea flour batter and fried to golden perfection. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and served piping hot. Dunk it in some coconut or mint chutney for that perfect bite. This is the taste of a Chennai evening. Now, for the sweet finale. Velachery's dessert scene is a treasure trove. The local milk sweets are a must-try, from rich, ghee-laden Mysore pak to delicate milk pedas. But for something truly comforting, look for a stall serving fresh payasam. This creamy rice or vermicelli pudding, studded with cashews and raisins and scented with cardamom, is ladled steaming into a bowl. It's a warm hug for your soul. Follow the line of dessert shops as they guide you toward the scenic Velachery Lake Road. It's the perfect spot to enjoy your sweet treat. And for a proper finish to round off this epic food journey, you have to grab a strong filter coffee. It's non-negotiable. Watch as the decoction is expertly cooled and frothed, creating that signature creamy head. Whether you take it with milk and sugar or prefer it black and bold, this is the authentic taste of Chennai in a cup. A few quick tips before you go. For breakfast classics, go early, between 7 and 9 a.m. For the full street food carnival, the magic happens after 6 p.m. Most stalls are cash only, but many now accept UPI payments, so keep your phone handy. And the best hygiene indicator? A crowd. If the locals are lining up, you know it's good. So, want that fast map? It's simple. Start your journey at the Velachery MRTS station. From there, zigzag your way down the bustling Velachery main road, following the sounds and smells. Then, dive deep into the narrow market lanes, where the real hidden gems are waiting. And finally, finish your tour via the scenic Lake Route Loop for a moment of calm after the delicious chaos. There's really only one rule to follow when you explore the street food of Velachery. Come hungry, because we guarantee you will leave happy.